We are pleased to show you the 2013 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, cruise control, child safety locks, power windows. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.